Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I've been earning from meme coins consistently every single day without relying on trading meme coins all day. Rather than trying to buy coins hoping for it to pump, I focus on launching the coin and then cashing out when the hype is high. Doing it this way has brought me much better results, and it's something a lot of people overlook nowadays. And make sure you watch until the end of the video because somewhere in here I'll be announcing a 5 Solana giveaway that anyone can enter. Let's get into the video. Guys, take a look at my Phantom wallet. Over $100,000 made in crypto purely from launching meme coins on chain. In this video, I'm going to ungatekeep the exact method that I used every single day for the past year to do the exact same. So let's get right into it in this video. Now guys, the raw reality of trading meme coins in 2026 is that you are destined to get rugged on. For example, you would buy inside a coin and then you would just get completely dumped on to zero because the dev sells his supply on your head, okay? And the truth is that, bro, all these devs are all making way more money than the traders, okay? A bunch of people do not want to admit that, but that is the truth. These people are launching narrative coins, okay, and then they are dumping on your head, and they're doing that over and over again. 10 coins, 20 coins, 30 coins a day. And that's exactly why I now dev meme coins, and a bunch of influencers are even saying that deving is way more profitable than trading. I am making this video to expose my method, and I will show you the proper way to dev meme coins and get attention on your coin. Everything. I will even do a live example in this video. Let's get straight into it. And by the way, bro, this entire video is made for educational purposes only. I am not at all a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys on how it works. Now, most people, right, when they start deving, they just try to make their coins on Pump.Fun directly. This platform is usually the most popular launchpad to make coins on, so people assume that it's the best place to start. But that's where things all fall apart. Pump.Fun is extremely overcrowded and over-competitive. As you can see here in the new pairs, here are all Pump.Fun coins coming out at every single second. If you launch a meme coin here, bro, you have a really slim chance of making profits, even if it's $1 or $2. You're just hoping for your coin to get lucky. And there's another major problem. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool, and they actually take a portion of your creator fees. So from the very beginning, you don't actually have control over your coins and over your dev. So as a dev, the real objective is to launch your meme coin on the migrate section. Here is where most devs are waiting to get your coin on. The migrate section is where thousands of people are waiting to buy your coin. Here is where all the attention is waiting at. Now, to get your meme coin on the Radium Dex, which is the migrate section, your coin needs to reach the bonding curve migration level, and that is a $60,000 market cap for a Pump.Fun meme coin. That's exactly why I do not launch coins on Pump.Fun. I actually make them on creatememe.io. The reason why I switched to creatememe.io is because every single meme coin goes directly to Radium and reaches thousands of traders on the spot. It will skip everything, every single requirement, and it will go directly onto Radium, reaching a bunch of people, and you keep full control over your liquidity pool. Your Phantom wallet owns every single coin, so you have control over everything, even the creator fees. Now, to make a meme coin on creatememe.io, bro, you have two different approaches. The first approach is to create a coin from complete scratch, but you need a viral narrative in mind to put that into a meme coin. You cannot just create any coin, it will flop. So go on X and look for an idea, look for a viral tweet, some type of political news. It could be anything, okay? Then you would just make it here by inventing a name, symbol, and image around that narrative. The second method though is my favorite one, and it's more interesting. That is the copy trending coins method right here. Now, instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we're just copying a coin that went viral before, and we're just launching it back to Radium to bag more profits and more traders, just like that, all because we're copying trending coins. Now, every single coin here has a bunch of volume. They're all going viral on Pump.Fun right now, and they're all proven to have a good community and narrative. So that's why we copy coins. This method is also known as vamping, and I will even do a live example in front of you guys right now in this video to show you guys exactly how it works and how it's done. Anyways, now let's copy a coin and then see how much profits we can make in Solana right now. So keep watching, bro, because you will have a clear example of how everything works when it comes to deving a coin in the back end, right? Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. And by the way, if you want, you can launch on Pump.Fun, but we will stick to Radium for this strategy. And now I'm gonna copy the war coin. Why not? Click copy to Radium, wait for Phantom White to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then confirm right here, and then the coin should be copied. And the warning is completely normal because we are deving coins. Then just wait, bang. And guys, if I go in SoScan for some quick proof for you guys can see that the coin war is minted, it's copied back to Radium, and it's minted 11 seconds ago. Everything works. Now it's time for the liquidity pool. Now, this page right here is where we are going to create our liquidity pool for Radium. Instead of going to Pump.Fun, it will go to Radium right here, and you will have control over your coins before everyone else. Now, for the amount of coins, just tap on 90%. This is what I usually do for all my launches. Right under for the amount of SOL, this is where you will be exchanging some of your Solana for for supply in your own coin. Like that, you will be able to make profits as a dev. It's really important to put some SOL here. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL for example. And by the way, bro, you are not losing this money. It will withdraw from your Phantom wallet, but you will get this back later at the end once you dump the coin, once you remove the liquidity. So it's all fucking good, right? Now click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on refresh down below, and then scroll down, and bang, the war coin is now in your pools. You can launch multiple coins at the time. It will all show up right here, and your profits are going to show up right there too. And if you do click on the refresh button for a second time, well, as you guys can see, bro, we are up $151 in our PNL counter, and that is actually really fucking good for a beginning. People are liking our narrative since we copied a viral one. And yeah, now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on any trading platform that you desire. It's all up to you, bro. I use Phantom personally. Let me go in full screen. And now the chart is live. As you guys can see, people are now transactioning with our coin. We're up in profits, I would say around 200 bucks, I think, if we count for our supply and for the creator fees. We are at a 1.4k market cap. And by the way, bro, do not worry if the chart goes down a bit, okay? More and more people are going to start flooding the coin and then seeing and then aping in potentially. And we're just hoping for this coin to make a bit of profits. But if you do get really lucky on a vamp, you can make a coin go extremely viral. It is rare, but it could happen if you launch a lot of coins. Okay, it's not looking too bad. Okay, it's going a bit up and down. I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump, and then when I come back, I will show you guys exactly how much we're up, and then I will cash out in front of you guys. Okay, I am fully transparent. So be right back. Enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see here on screen, we are at the 3.4k market cap. This coin has been running for a long time, around 10 minutes, and we farmed a lot of transactions. A lot of people bought this coin. Let's cash out. Come back to create meme.io, and then obviously bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see bro, $1,92000 in PNL is what we are going to receive right now. Okay, so click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity to remove all. You have to do 100%. You can do less, but I would just recommend to cash out 100%. Remove liquidity, wait for a phantom wallet to show up in a couple of seconds, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And bang bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to fucking finish. I just showed you exactly how to cash out on your meme coin. Bang, 1.9k is what we received. We received around 21 Solana from this launch, and then you can do that over and over again. Launch coins over and over again bro. That is the best strategy. You have to be consistent every single day if you want to build up that portfolio. Obviously the results will vary from coin to coin. You might make $500 off one coin, $100, break even, 10,000, you never know. So that's what makes deving so fun. So use create meme.io. You can either go on Google or you can go in the comments down below or in the description. And bro, if you want to win 5 Solana like this guy right here, all you have to do is just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram and Discord for the info for the giveaway. Good luck to everyone.